Setting up Apple Card on your iPhone can feel a bit confusing if you've never done it before, especially since it's not like adding a regular debit or credit card manually. Apple Card is integrated directly into your iPhone through the Wallet app, which means the application and setup process happen digitally in just a few steps. Many users aren't sure where to start, what information is required, or how long it takes to get approved. The process is actually designed to be quick and straightforward, but knowing the exact path makes everything much smoother. Once set up, you'll be able to manage payments, track spending, and use Apple Pay seamlessly right from your iPhone without needing a physical card in hand. Try these. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the plus in the top corner. Step 3. Select Apple Card from the list of available options. Step 4. Fill in your personal details and submit your application. Step 5. Review the terms, credit limit, and interest details, then accept if you agree. Step 6. Wait for approval and tap Continue to add the card to your wallet.